Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Drive for managing your LinkedIn media library, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Google Drive in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Google Drive link from the search results. Once on the Google Drive homepage, locate the Go to Drive button and click it. You will be redirected to the Google sign-in page. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address and click Next. Enter your password and click Next again. If you do not have a Google account, click on Create Account to set up a new account. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary information for your new account. Once logged in, you will see your Google Drive homepage. To manage your LinkedIn media library, locate the left sidebar. Click on My Drive to view your files and folders. If you need to upload media for LinkedIn, click the plus new button on the left. Select File Upload or Folder Upload depending on your needs. Browse through your device to select the files you wish to upload. Click Open to upload the selected files to your Google Drive. After the upload is complete, you can organize your files into folders. To create a folder, click plus new and select Folder. Name the folder accordingly and click Create. Drag and drop your uploaded files into this new folder. To share any media from your library, right-click on the file or folder. Select Share from the drop-down menu. Enter the email address of the person you wish to share with. Adjust the sharing permissions as needed. Click Send to share the media. Now you can access and manage your LinkedIn media library efficiently. Remember to log out after managing your files, especially on shared devices. To log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu to end your session. You are now ready to manage your media files in Google Drive for LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.